How to block a contact on Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block a contact on Google Meet so you can prevent unwanted users from messaging or calling you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Meet app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, if the person is in your recent calls or chat list, simply find their name. But if they are not there, you can tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the Google contacts. And once you have located them, simply long press on their name, and after that a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on option labeled as block, and once you do that, a confirmation message will pop up. From there, simply tap on block again, and just like that you have successfully blocked the users on Google Meet. And that's how you can block someone on Google Meet in just few simple steps. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.